What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made $77.25 with Clickbank in less than 24 hours for free, and how you can do the exact same thing here. This is super easy to do, beginner friendly. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this inside this video, but first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you here in today's video, as I said, how I made $77.25 and how you can do this too. Now, before we jump into the video here, make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel. You're going to find a link in the description below here, which is my IM tips. I do upload videos there on a consistent basis, so they are related also to make money online, work from home and much more. So make sure you subscribe to that too. And make sure you also check out my #1 recommendation, which is related to this and much more at the end, of course, of this video. But for now, what you need to do is pay attention. Don't skip on anything because then it won't work for you. I'm going to show you exactly everything you need to know how to do this and how you can get started for free today if you want to. All right, we have some things to cover here. Pay attention and let's get started. Okay, so first off, let's go inside my Clickbank account, one of my accounts actually that I decided to test this offer and method, and you can see here 77 and 25. If I go inside here, I can see that there was an upsell made. So that is super nice, okay? And there is actually a chance that I make much more on the exact same person and the same offer here. I don't know it, but it can happen because they might purchase something tomorrow or something like that. But it still is very good. So basically you can see here that the vendor, if I go with the vendor and the offer, let's have a look at it. So what we need to do is go to the marketplace and type in here, and this is the manifestation magic. Alright, so basically it is a method that I showed you a few days back here, and this was the video. So if I go to my channel here, you can see make $38.55 again and again for free with Clickbank. Alright, so this was the exact same strategy that I used to make this kind of money. But I'm going to show you here exactly what you need to do to get this to work for you. So the first thing I did was I went, of course, to see here the details on the affiliate page. So if I open this up, you can see here I could have actually earned up to $300 if they purchased all the upsells, and I still have a chance to do that actually, so you never know, as I said earlier here. Let's go into the affiliate tool section here, and there is tons of materials that you can take advantage of and use here that is totally free for you. Now, I showed you in that video regarding the video swipes here, and I gave you some ideas. So what I did was I went to Pixabay, pixabay.com. They do have free video clips that you can use. So I'm just going to show you real quick here. I'm not going to show you everything because it will take too much time of the video here. So if I search for C, for example, I found this very nice video here. It says beach holiday Greece, suits me perfect since I live in Greece also. So you can see here free to download, and you download a few of these videos, okay? The next thing we can do is go to youtube.com/audio library. We want some music here, so you can search, okay? I searched for ambient and bright, and I found out the music that we are going to listen to here real soon. Now, I'm going to fire up the editor here, which is Camtasia. Camtasia is my preferred audio and video editor regarding all of the videos, and I have even created a course. You can check it out. It's audiovideomastery.com. So I feel comfortable, and that's what I want to show you here in today's video. There is a 14-day free trial also if you are interested with Camtasia to get started with it, and in 14 days you can do tons of videos. And if you don't want to, you can of course just type in Google free video editor and use whatever you feel and like, okay? So they are pretty similar actually, but here you have so much more that you can do with Camtasia. So basically I just have the video, I have the audio right behind. Okay, so if I just play it a little bit. Okay, looking nice, right? The next thing I did was I took advantage of the articles that was available there, and I just copy and pasted more or less. A little bit of rewrite doesn't hurt, okay? So it's even better. It makes the video stand out and looks unique. I want it to look unique, and that's why I went this route. I could have downloaded the video and just uploaded it, but I feel that when someone has already seen that video, they might not react the same way as they do if they see something new. So that is exactly what I did here. So you just copy and paste here. You can see how easy it is, okay? So I'm just going to show you real quick. I just take an annotation here, and you can see it can be transparent or whatever. So manifest, okay, click the link below to find out how you can manifest money today. All right, so you need to have a call to action every now and then in your video, and it's up to you how long you can make the video, okay? You have some pretty good long articles, so you can expand it and make it 4 or 5 minutes, the video there. But make sure you put this in the beginning, in the middle. We need to have call to actions all the time because we want people to click, of course, so we can earn commissions also. But I think you get the point here, okay? So you can get started to do this kind of videos super easy, all right? So they're looking nice. You can see here are some other copy that I just copied and pasted more or less. So, and then you can proceed, of course, with other videos and so on there. So you render this video and you have it, okay? Now the next thing we need to do here is go to YouTube. But first, before we do that, let's go back a little bit here, okay? We need to work with easy competitive keywords, because if you just type manifestation, there is too much competition, okay? And your video, especially if you have just created a new account, you will probably never be seen on YouTube there. So how do we do that? Okay, real simple. Look at this. There is Facebook SEO. Here are some keywords that I started to brainstorm with last time, okay? So I can't remember actually what keyword I took there, but look at this. How do you manifest money, for example? So let's go inside here and let's go inside like this. How do you manifest money? Now, you can see here that there is a lot of people and a lot of views here. If I just type this, okay, how do you manifest money? So there is probably a good keyword, but to be sure, we are going to use a free tool, which is TubeBuddy. So if I just scroll down a little bit here, let me see. Oops, there you go. So you can see here that it says that it is a very good keyword, but let's open up here the Keyword Explorer. Okay, how do you manifest money? It says that it is a fair keyword. All right, so what you need to do is check here. And I have only one recommendation regarding this keyword. So let's go inside here and see if it is a good. And boom, look at that. Isn't this amazing? Excellent, 100%. So this is a perfect keyword, okay? And this is awesome. This is really super awesome. I haven't used this keyword, so I'm going to use it, okay? So you can see here, how do you manifest money when you are broke, when you're broke, all right? If we change this here, I don't know what's going to happen here. When you are broke, okay, it's still a very good keyword, 71, so this is perfect. Now this is something, a long tail keyword. So if I just had, for example, how do you manifest money? Or if I just type manifest money, you're going to see that it is not so good, okay? It's going to show up here that it is there. Manifest money, it's a very competitive keyword, but look at this, there are so many recommendations here to increase this one, okay? Let's say that I'm just picking this up. I don't know what's going to happen here. It's a much better, okay? And you can continue to expand it here. So I think you get the point here, all right? Now what we need to do here is actually, let's see here, there we go. Okay, you need to copy the tags that you're going to see here, and you are going to use those in your videos. Not all, but I think at least the 10 or 15 that you're going to see at the top here. Just copy them on somewhere, on a document or wherever you want, and we are going to use those later on. But we are also going to see, let's see here, when you are broke. Okay, so when we have typed this in here, copy this, and let's see if someone uses this exact same title. Okay, so copy and paste and see here, and there isn't anyone, so that is probably why it's also such a good result. So this is awesome. Okay, and we are going to have a look at the top videos here. 1, 2, 3 videos. Now this is not something that we want to take advantage of, it's 2 months ago, but look at the first video here, for example. Okay, you want to use this kind of keywords, so copy this, and in combination with the other keywords there, take what you feel that it is related. Okay, so I don't know if Millionaire Mind is related, it might not be, but you're allowed to have up to 500 characters in the video there. So if I go back here, I'm going to show you an example of a video that I already uploaded it, but the first and most important is the title. Okay, so how do you manifest money when you are broke? The next thing we need to do here is take advantage of this. You can see I do use my #1 recommendation, but we need here, click here to manifest money today. Okay, something like that, or manifest money when you're broke today. And so we need that affiliate link. The affiliate link, we can grab it here in Clickbank, of course. It's going to generate a long ugly link, and to track it, to have a better grasp of what is happening, we can use actually bit.ly here. So use bit.ly, copy and paste, and copy this short link that I have here, and use that in the video. Okay, so if I copy and paste it in here, I'm sorry, this is the bit.ly link. I just go back here, there you go. Below here, make sure you take advantage of the article that you have rewrote a little bit, so insert the description. It will help you also to rank that. Of course, we are going to insert our tags here below and the keywords. Okay, so as I said, you can see I have it filled with 419 here, so you will use up to 500 characters in total. Take advantage of it, and you're going to see some recommendations also here that you can use with the TubeBuddy version here. So that is more or less how you do it. Okay, you would need, of course, to do a thumbnail also. I'm sorry, you will need to do, of course, a thumbnail, and then you are ready to go. You upload the video, and it is good to find a way to promote it the first 24 hours, because then YouTube will see that people are searching for your video, and they will rank this pretty high. Okay, so there is a good chance that you will rank pretty quick with a low competition long tail keyword that you have there. But you can, of course, help it out by sending some traffic there. If you have friends and so on, you can tell them to watch the video also, so that will help to get it a little bit boost in the beginning there. So that is more or less the strategy, and that is exactly what I did. This is super easy to do, goes pretty fast when you get started. To do this, it might take you a little while, but you will implement and speed up the process real quick there. All right, so as I said earlier, if you are interested in finding out more about affiliate marketing, build a real sustainable online business and make a full-time passive income online with this, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below. If you get some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see here. Both are related, as I said earlier here. Subscribe to both and hit that notification bell, and you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation at the end screen here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.